Com. We are covering Colorado's weather tonight and taking a look at our mousetrap cam. Oh boy, some ominous clouds out there. And we had a torrential downpour downtown earlier. But there are bigger problems in other parts of the state, right, Dave?
Some have had a problem with tornadoes and big hail, too, up to 1-inch diameter, even tennis ball size hail. Let's set the stage and show you why. Yesterday, it was all moisture from Bud that came in and brought us the clouds and the rain we saw. Now we're getting kind of a 1-2 punch today. The moisture from Bud is still flowing up to the north, and now a cold front has dropped in behind it, right over us, and where those two things are coming together, right over Denver and northeastern Colorado, that's where things are kind of exploding this afternoon. So satellite and radar shows where the big thunderstorms are from Denver all the way back up into Nebraska up here, and we are working on some severe weather out here south of Akron and Yuma. There's a tornado warning in effect on this storm right here until 6 o'clock in this general area here. It is weakening somewhat, but I'm still picking up a little bit of wind shear going on, and we've already seen up to 60, 70 miles per hour on the wind gusts out of this storm, and some large hail as well. A new severe thunderstorm warning now is going into effect out here from Yuma into Eckley ahead of this storm, so you're going to see that coming through. And add into that, look at these storms that are pushing down through Cope all the way down into sections of northern Elbert County and northern Lincoln County down there. And Last Chance, you've got a good soaker going on there. So all of this is going to come down the pike here, so we're not done yet. And even back behind me up here, there's a good soaker going on around Holyoke with these thunderstorms. Meantime, back here in Denver, we've got some rain going on out at DIA. Another batch of moisture coming in from Douglas County here, so that'll be a good soaker going through Highlands Ranch. A lot of these areas have had anywhere from a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain already today. Tornado watch will remain in effect until about 9 o'clock out there in the northeastern part of the state as those storms are really energized out there. Our high temperature today made it to 77 degrees, a big relief from the string of 90s we had, and 74 downtown is what we made it to. Normal highs about 83. It's been a long time since we've been below normal. It's cool out there now, comfortably cool at 63. A lot of our weather watchers reporting some moisture here. Debbie Charlton in Highlands Ranch coming in with a ½ inch of rain there. Mike Quaintance in Bailey, ½ inch there. And Debbie says that the ½ inch of rain was in about 30 minutes out there. And Phil Curry in Franktown coming in with almost 2½ inches of rain in less than 2 hours. He says there was a little bit of a washout damage out there near Franktown. There was so much water from the afternoon thunderstorms today. So tonight we have a chance of storms all the way through midnight through Denver and the northeastern part of Colorado. Tomorrow morning will be cloudy here in the northeast. Sun will break out in the midday, and it will be enough heating to get some afternoon thunderstorms going from Denver into Cheyenne, Fort Collins, Greeley, and northeastern Colorado in the afternoon. So a little drier tomorrow, but then on Tuesday another surge comes in with a cold front, and already in advance of that, here in extreme eastern Colorado, National Weather Service has put a flash flood watch in effect for Tuesday afternoon and evening from Ray down through Kit Carson and Cheyenne Wells. And again, that's not tomorrow, but for Tuesday, expecting some big thunderstorms to produce some flooding through there. Lows tonight, comfortably cool. A lot of 50s down on the lower elevations here, including Denver. Highs tomorrow, 70s and 80s here in the northeast, 90s and 80s down to the southeast, and of course, cool and comfortable up in the mountains, 60s and 70s up there. So showers and storms tonight, mid-50s for the overnight low. Tomorrow, low 80s, a little warmer than today with early clouds, midday sun, and afternoon thunderstorms. Still a good bet on those late day storms. And then we bring it back into the 70s with that next cool front on Tuesday. Better chance of rain. 77 Wednesday. It's not until Friday that we get back to the 80s. And by Thursday and Friday, we'll be a little bit drier. So you could enjoy more of the afternoon, I guess, in that front. But I'm enjoying the rain.
And the cooler temperatures.
The severe storms are just wild out there, though.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Dave.
You bet.
Well, 14,000 Coloradans are living